Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. Going outside. It's sort of cold though, so don't have that much to say about it, honestly. Let's see what the temperature is. It's going up to 64 today, so not great, but not terrible. Truck. Oh good, they're stopping right here, ruining my nice peaceful morning. There are little chimes going in the background. Not anymore. Anyway, just thought I would come out here with Molly for a second because she hasn't gone outside in a little while. She gets so scared now though. There she goes. Back inside because of this truck. I feel like I've been getting a lot of questions though, like, am I nervous with Molly outside? Aren't I scared that she's gonna run away? And like, yes, freaking of course I am. I'm constantly terrified that she is going to run away. But when she's out here, we keep a really, really close eye on her, and she's also really well behaved. Sometimes she tries to go like down these stairs that she's not supposed to go down, but I feel like she's pretty much learned that now, that she's not allowed down there, and for the most part doesn't try. I feel like she's okay. She also is microchipped, so don't worry about that. Look who joined us back outside. You came back out? That's so scary, right? It's okay. Okay, but I want to go inside now, Molly Cat, so come on, in. Good girl. It has been many hours since I started the vlog. Been in a really good work groove, which was great. Wow, these flowers are blooming so pretty. I am so obsessed with them. They look so gorgeous. I'm obsessed. We're gonna have to get those like every weekend.
Baby, this would totally be you.
What?
This mom won her bracket at office. Look at the sun.
Home of the NCAA bracket champion. Please knock. I'm very busy counting my money and studying basketball.
It's ironically.
That is so good.
That would be you 100%.
That was me when I won. I don't even know if I ever told you guys about this. I must have. I don't know. But in one of my very first freelance job, I would go into the office a couple times a week, and they did a World Cup bracket because it was the year that the World Cup was happening. And I did it, and I just like based my choices off of the cuisines from the country and which cuisines I love, and I ended up winning the whole thing. And all the guys in the office told me I made terrible picks and that I didn't stand a chance and all this shit, and now look at me. I'm a star. I'm the winner. And I made sure that everyone knew it. I was not humble about it at all. It's my only claim to fame when it comes to sports, so I have to, you know, milk what I can. Meanwhile, my NCAA brackets are not going quite as well. It's fine. Just making a little salad for lunch today. I have been craving the weirdest things, you guys, lately. It's so strange. Really been craving some sort of like salami. So I got this last time we went grocery shopping because I don't know, I've just had it on my mind. I've also really been craving tomatoes, another thing that I don't typically eat a lot of. But in particular, cherry tomatoes, like that acidity from them has really been hitting the spot lately. So very excited about this. And I think for my dressing, I'm gonna use some of this spicy peanut vinaigrette from Trader Joe's, which is so good. Get a little drizzle going on there. Oh yeah. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day and I'm just about to start putting some makeup on. Sorry, I just dropped off yesterday. Just didn't really feel like vlogging anything else. Didn't really have much to say. So here we are. But today I am heading out with my manager Alex to do a little shoot day, and I thought that would be sort of fun to bring you guys along on. I always say that I'm gonna vlog when I'm out shooting and then I never do, so we're gonna try to follow through today. Fingers freaking crossed. Oh, I've had such a morning though, like just so many emails to go through. I set up a dentist appointment and I hate the dentist, you guys. It is my least favorite doctor of all. I just hate it so much. Dreading it. We're doing it because, you know, it's one of those things that has to be done. But it's Wednesday at least, so we are inching closer to the weekend, and Connor and I actually are doing something a little different this weekend because we are house sitting for some of Connor's family that lives right here near us. My hair is looking crazy, please just ignore. But very excited for that. They have a big backyard that we are just gonna hang in all weekend. They have a dog that we're watching for them. They're just going away for like 2 days, but going to be lovely to just have a nice chill weekend. We really have been feeling like been running around a lot and that we wanted a little bit more of a relaxing weekend, so this was the perfect excuse to do it, because if we feel like going out somewhere, we can, but if we don't, we have a really great excuse why. So actually for the shoot that we're doing today, one is for a brand and we have to head over to Walmart to like shoot some stories there. So there's not really a Walmart necessarily nearby to us here, so we're going further south into Torrance, and that's right near Redondo Beach. So then I think we're going to shoot around Redondo, which will be fun, a little change of scenery. And we're actually not going for a couple of hours, but I have calls right before we're going out to shoot, so I just sort of want to get myself put together now while I have a free moment. That way I am pretty much ready to go when Alex gets here and picks me up. So that's the drill for the day. I'm gonna get some makeup on while I watch Tara's new vlog. Makeup is done. I'll probably fix my hair later. So what I'm gonna do now is actually film some little try on clips, which you will have already seen in my last vlog, for the couple things that I got. Plus I want to shoot in those today, so I want to make sure that they fit and figure out outfits for them and all of that. So gotta figure out some of that stuff, and then we're going to, what time is it? Okay, no, that's really all we have time for. So I just need to like get to that ASAP so I can hop on my call in like 30. Well, my only call for the day actually just got canceled, so we are in the clear, which is great because I only have about an hour until Alex is coming to pick me up. So I need to eat and put together all the outfits that I want to shoot and then be ready for him in like an hour or so. I think for lunch, I'm just gonna make a grilled cheese because it's fast and easy and I'm just really hungry, so I want to make it happen quick. Okay, got my grilled cheese here. It's made with pepper jack and also a little bit of just like Mexican cheese blend or cheddar or something. I don't know, some sort of shredded cheese. And then I'm also going to have these pita chips and this amazing Chipotle hummus that we got at the farmer's market this weekend. I know I haven't stopped talking about the farmer's market in a long time, but definitely gonna vlog the next time we go because it's just so good and we had so many good goodies. It was just a fun little time there to look through everything. Okay, just finished prepping a bunch of outfits to shoot. I'm gonna throw them all in this big duffel here to bring with me. I already have something in there, as you can see. Of course, the white jeans because I'm obsessed. I'm gonna shoot a lot of just the new stuff that I've gotten recently because might as well. I'm never in a car to vlog. Look.
Hey!
How fun! This is actually a really good car for vlogging. I love it. We're at Starbucks.
It's supposed to taste like boba?
Yes!
Okay, that sounded familiar when you were ordering.
Someone told me that I should try it and told me it tastes exactly like boba, so I was very intrigued.
Alright.
Thank you. I honestly hated myself ordering that, but I appreciate your patience.
It's not even that annoying of a drink.
Okay, good.
It's really not.
I'm glad.
Some ones that are pretty ridiculous.
Yeah, I'm sure. Wow. Okay, guys. I ordered this drink that Tara told me to order. I got it slightly different, I think, than hers because she used oat milk, and also I wasn't sure if she got sweet cream foam or just sweet cream in it. So I got the foam because that just sounded yummy, so I'm going. But anyway, the drink is grande black iced tea with a splash of non-fat milk, the brown sugar syrup, no liquid cane sugar, and the sweet cream foam. So we're gonna have to give it a try, although I guess my first couple sips will just be the sweet cream foam, which, whatever. Foamy.
Foamy.
It actually tastes delicious, the foam.
Sweet cream.
It is.
Creme de la creme.
But I always order black iced teas at Starbucks, so very intrigued by this. It's very different than my usual. I usually just get black iced tea, but I will report back with how this is. Okay, first things first, update on the drink. It is so yummy. I'm a big fan. I was looking back at Tara's and like the way that her drink looked, and I think that she definitely got just the sweet cream and not the sweet cream foam, but still so delicious. I'm a big fan. It tastes just like boba, it really does, minus obviously the boba. So good. Oh, I almost spilled that all over your car, but it's fine.
How dare you? This is a new car.
I know. It would have felt very bad. So we just stopped in at Walmart really quickly to shoot something for a brand. There was absolutely nothing exciting happening, so it didn't bother even bringing my camera in. But we are off now to, we're going to Manhattan.
Yeah, I think Manhattan's closer.
So we're gonna go into Manhattan Beach and shoot around there. I brought a ton of outfits with me, so just gonna try to stockpile some content. I want to shoot some like reels too of outfits.
Oh yeah.
While we're in them. We're just gonna do that, and then we do have to go back to my place to shoot one more thing for that brand because you need to be like in a bathroom. And then we're done for the day. Not too bad. And honestly, like, this is the fun part.
Yeah.
Once you get the brand stuff over with, then you just get to like sort of fuck around.
Yeah, exactly.
Just like that, the shoot day is over, and of course I got 0 clips, but what are you gonna do? You know, like I'm busy taking photos. How am I supposed to get clips? Exactly. And I feel like I'm, you know, like it's just like walking somewhere, taking a photo, going back to the car, getting changed, and then walking somewhere, taking a photo, and then doing it again. So not much to show anyway, but it is a beautiful freaking day here in Manhattan Beach, so we're just going to, oh no. There is an issue happening, but there are 2 like security guards over there, so. Anyway, as I was saying, it's a beautiful day here. As people are yelling like, call 911. And so we're gonna grab a drink and might as well enjoy our time here in Manhattan Beach. How often are we here? Absolutely never, so. Perfect. Alright, I got a blonde ale. And what, oh, you got the Manhattan Beach IPA?
Hazy IPA, yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yay! Another successful shoot day.
As always, yeah.
Don't worry, I copied that with Molly.
I'm still mad at her.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I don't know why this lighting is so weird. But back home now, obviously. It was a very productive day, but I am really tired. For some reason, I think it's just the constant changing that makes me really tired because I always get tired after shooting. Connor and I are just gonna have a nice, quiet, chill night here, but really quickly, I really need to run to CVS to get some micellar water because I am all out and I'm wearing makeup, so I need to be able to take it off. And Connor kindly offered to walk with me, which is very nice. Thank you, baby.
Of course.
Greatly appreciated. The micellar water has been acquired and I cannot wait to get back inside. I'm tired. Okay, Connor and I did something sort of crazy. We decided to order tonight because we're both just super wiped out, tired. And Connor saw something on the Sugarfish menu that we had never seen before, and it was called Don't Think, Just Eat. Yeah. So I don't know what's about to be inside of this box, and I'm so excited. Connor, do you want me to wait for you, or can I open it?
No, open away.
Okay. Da 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 da. Oops, that was not as smooth as I want it to be. Okay. Da 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 da. Ooh. Oh my god, that looks so good. The lobster roll. Oh man, am I excited. We have a friggin' lobster roll to eat.
Look at that. You can see so much
My
lobster.
gosh. I am just so excited for that. Like, look at how beautiful this looks. I am so excited to just pig out. And Connor still has me hooked on this Formula One show, so we're powering through this.
Unexpected how much you got into it, but it's really good.
Yeah, I just really enjoy it, and
It's the storyline.
exactly, it's just like a reality show. It just happens to be about Formula One drivers, but there is a lot of drama.
And they're pretty extra.
It's awesome. So it is the end of the night here now. That sushi was so good, you guys. It blew our mind. Oh my god. I am like so full, so satisfied. It was just so yummy. Very random thing to have on a Wednesday, but so good. And now I'm definitely ready for bed. So thank you guys for watching today. I hope you enjoyed it, and